Hi everybody. I hope you're having a good Thursday. Still Tuesday. Y'all still did the STAR test today for me. But I'm just making this video, so yeah. Today we're going to be multiplying. Let's make sure I get the right side up. No, that one was with the answers. We are going to be multiplying integers. So we're going to be multiplying the positive and negative numbers. I'm going to give you a rundown on how to multiply using your fingers. Fear not, guys. I am just doing numbers from, I want to say it's from 0 to 9. So it's not even like crazy numbers, okay? I know we're kind of out of practice with that mental math, so let's just get it done. Of course, no calculators, no computers, no cell phones, no food, the normal rules. But I'm going to show you a couple of tricks on your hands real quick. You're going to be looking at your hands like this. It'll be acting like you have numbers on your fingers here. Okay, so it's like doing this motion. All right, ready, set, go. Okay, guys, so here are your hands. Like I said, it's acting like your hands are like, I can't make the motion, but I showed you, you're looking straight at this part of your hand. It's numbered 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6. And so this is an easy way to do multiplication using your hands from 6 to 10. What you're going to do, let's take 7 times 7 real quick. Now, just to let you know, guys, you will need to know your multiplications for 1 through 5. So if you need to, on your paper, do like 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 1, so on and so on. Actually, I wouldn't even do 1 times 5. I'd do 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, 1 times 5. And then I would start with my 2s, then do my 3s, then do my 4s, then do my 5s. If you're somebody that doesn't know their multiplication from 1 to 5, okay? Anywho, let's look at this. If I were to say, hey, let's do 7 times 7. Now, keep in mind, 7 times 7 can also look like 7 times 7. It could look like 7 parentheses 7. They all mean the same thing. That is all 7 times 7, okay? We're going to do 7 times 7, which means we're going to put our two fingers that are 7 together. You see how they're overlapping right there? What this is doing, guys, the way we figure this out is the fingers that are touching count as 10. So this is 10, this is 10, 10, and 10. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So our fingers make up, oh, I didn't realize it was going to leave stains. Oh, that's much better. All right, so our fingers make up 40 using these two. We have 10, 20, 30, 40. Now up here, what's happening is we have 3 fingers here, so we're going to do 3, 1, 2, 3. And we have 3 fingers up here, 1, 2, 3. So what you do with the fingers that are not touching and below it, you're going to multiply those. So 3 times 3 equals 9, okay? So our first answer, we had 40, which was 10, 20, 30, 40. And then 3 times 3, which is 9. And then you're just going to add those numbers. Bloop, you're going to add those. So 7 times 7 equals 49. Okay. Let's use a couple of different numbers. Let's go. Let's do 8 times 6. Yeah, let's do this one. 8 times 6. Let me get my hands in view. So we're going to do 8 times 6. So that's me looking at it, and I'm going to go like this, okay? Like so, okay? So once again, the fingers that are touching and below it count as 10. So if we're doing 8 times 6, first we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So I know we have 40 with the fingers touching. And then we're going to do, this is 2, so then you're going to do 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So you're going to do 40 plus the 8, which means that 8 times 6 equals 48. Okay. We'll do a few more. Let's do 9 times 9. Now there is a cool trick you can do with multiples of 9. If anybody knows it, you can always share it with your classmates. Let's do 9 times 9 though. So I'm going to write 9 times 9 right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me scoot it up some. Let's recount that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those each count for 10. If you're counting it, it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we know that our fingers touching and below equal 80. Now up here we have one finger, so that's going to be 1. We have one finger there, times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we're going to do 80 plus the 1, which the answer to 9 times 9 is 81. Okay. One more example. We'll do 6 times 6. 6 times 6 sounds great. Actually, okay, 6 times 6 is a tricky one because you have to do 4 times 4. So yeah, that'll be good. So if we do 6 times 6, how many fingers are touching? Oh, let's write it up here. 6 times 6. 2 fingers are touching, which make up 20 because it's 10, 20. There are 4 fingers here that are above it, so we're going to do 4 times whatever's over here above. So there's 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So we're going to do 20 plus 16, which gives us 36 as an answer. Okay. That is how you use these hands as an example. Let's go ahead and talk about positive and negative numbers, though, being multiplied by each other. All right, guys. So when you're doing positive and negative numbers, we should be doing, I call it the pizza man, but a lot of other people call it the Dorito man. So we can go pizza or Dorito. This is the guy you're going to be drawing. This guy is going to help us figure out if the final answer is negative or if it's positive. And the way you use him is it's going to be when you have a mixture of numbers, okay? So if you have 2 positive numbers, you know that your answer is going to be positive. Ooh, that doesn't work. If you have 2 positive numbers, you know your answer is going to be positive, positive. But when you have 1 negative number and 1 positive number, the way you use this Dorito guy is you have 1 negative, 1 positive, and whatever sign is left over, which is this guy right here. Oh my gosh, I keep grabbing the same marker. The negative is left over, okay? So this answer is going to be negative. Same thing here. We have 1 negative, 1 positive, so your answer is going to be what's left over, which is negative, okay? Let me redraw this Dorito guy real quick. Negative, negative, positive. Looking at this one, we're going to look at this one right here. We have a negative times a negative. A negative times a negative. What is left is a positive, meaning our answer is going to be positive, okay? Guys, you're going to do this all the way through. Let me pause the video so I can look at you in the face. All right, so you're going to finish this page here, and you're going to put your name on it. Once again, put your name on it, and you're going to turn it into your classroom drawer. Do not forget to turn it in. Do not forget to put your name on it. I don't want to give you a 0 for an easy day. Guys, I hope that, that's pretty much all I have for you for today. So work on this. If you are finished, there should be a paper that the sub has that you could be working on. It would be for yesterday and today, depending on if you finished early or not. So there is that. But just be good, guys. I hope y'all have a great day. If I don't get to talk to you tomorrow because it is incentive day, then I hope you have a good day tomorrow as well. Overall, though, enjoy the rest of your week. I will see you all on Monday. Be safe and always remember kindness.